We are in Normandy.
Journey. Is there any true definition of this word? How do you even define journey? Is it always defined when you reach your destination or when you complete your travel? The immense joy that you get after reaching your destination is something that cannot be measured or quantified. But to reach the destination, that may be your dream place, the position you want to reach in your life, or to live the life as you dreamed it, doesn't happen in a blink of an eye. And even if it does, it won't last long. For it is said that one needs to strive for success, and a true one doesn't come to you so easily. Journey of life is about exploring new places, and this cannot be done without experiencing the culture of the place. The easiest way to get incorporated to the culture is by having the local food. The simmering sound of lemonade and the sizzling grilled fish, which was caught by the local fisherman, starts forming the root in your soul and connects you immediately with the place. Etretat is found on France's northern coast within the Sheen maritime department of Normandy. The village is ideal for those who want to immerse themselves in a new world for a few weeks, or as the perfect stopping point for those who are making their way along the coast. Life can't be described by one or two words. It is a mixture of everything. The mixture of happiness and sadness, success and failure, comfort and pain, love and hatred, relief and sorrow, and struggle and giving up. Life is not perfect, but it is beautiful. Life is a beautiful struggle. You must keep the journey going, not because of the guarantee, but because of the possibility. Every day, we set our alarms to get up, go through our morning routines and get to work on time. Throughout the day, we check off each step in our to-do list. In order to reach the time we get to go home, we set annual, monthly, weekly and daily goals in order to make sure everyone gets to the same place. Somehow, somewhere along the way, the destination becomes more important than the journey. We get so wrapped up in our own process, in completing each step, that we forget to experience the stops. Here is the truth. The journey to achievement is not a destination, it's only a stopover to the next goal. Happiness is not a destination, it cannot be bought, sold or traded. Happiness is the gift of the journey. If we agree that the bottom line of life is happiness, not success, then it makes perfect sense to say that it is the journey that counts, not reaching the destination. Journey versus destination really means focusing on the journey instead of focusing on the destination. It means not being attached to the final destination. The destination must be there to inspire you to set out on the journey. The destination is your vision and your end goal. In between, there are smaller destinations and a lot of traveling. Reaching your destination is just a moment in time, but traveling towards a destination is every moment in time. The way rain follows us everywhere we go, you can follow me on Instagram and shower your love by hitting the like button and subscribing the channel. Share this video with friends and family and leave your thoughts in the comment section. Hello everyone, it's me Himangshu and welcome to Ramble and Curry. Journey is much more beautiful than the destination, so always stay focused in the journey. It is as similar as the joy that you get after completing a task by doing it. Our journey of this video has come to an end, but you have the power to set the path of this channel to reach its destination by subscribing it and sharing this video with your friends and family.